The term self-government is a huge one and covers a lot of ground. It's also a term we've been hearing with more frequency from Nunavut Tunngavik, the land claim organization that represents Nunavut Inuit. What does self-government mean to NTI? Their president explains.
We realize we live in a territory, and although we're the public majority as Inuit, the territorial public government still does not provide essential services in Inuktitut, for instance, in the areas of education, health, justice.
Education has been a subject that Tunngavik and the government of Nunavut have not seen eye to eye on. The government of Nunavut had said Inuit language instruction would be available in all classrooms 20 years after Nunavut was founded. When that 20 years was up, they decided to give themselves another 20 years. So NTI is thinking about schools.
Do we pilot an Inuktitut school, for instance, as a way to start saying and demonstrating model schools of how Inuktitut as a language of instruction could actually be adding to Inuit children so that Inuit children can be successful in the formal education system and still be able to function in English or other official languages of Canada.
Education is the biggest issue, but NTI sees themselves as having a role to play in a few areas currently under territorial control.
In terms of tuberculosis, what role can we play in terms of reducing the stigma of tuberculosis and raising public awareness about preventative measures? And I think the work we hope to do with the government of Nunavut would include that kind of partnership approach where we have input in how programs and services are delivered.
Governments are very often reluctant to share power or control. For NTI to get the level of collaboration they want, the government of Nunavut will have to give some things up. Will they? That's a long-term question that could help define the future of the territory. Kent Driscoll, APTN National News, Iqaluit.